Hey friends, it's Melanie. What is up? Today we are doing another Christmas video, which is everyone's favorite kind of video. If you saw, I posted 150 plus Christmas gift ideas. You guys really liked that video, so today I decided to give you guys some more ideas. I'm calling this video What's on My Christmas Wish List. This is basically my wish list, but it's also just another way to give you guys more ideas. And yeah, quick disclaimer, Christmas is obviously not about the gifts. I'm not expecting any of these gifts, kind of just like a shopping list of things that I thought were cool that I'm probably gonna go buy on Amazon sometime, but hopefully this gives you guys some ideas. Make sure to check out the other video. Other than that, let's get onto my Christmas wish list. All right, unfortunately, if you saw the other video, I was really extra and made it really nice, but for myself, I literally just wrote it on notes. So I'm gonna be reading it off of here. The first thing, I said car plant carrier thing. See, I write things down in my notes. If someone read it, they'd be like, but when I read that, I'm like,
oh, I know what you're saying, Melanie.
I was kind of torn between if I'm gonna make this or buy it, but then unfortunately the girl who like handcrafts them, they're sold on Etsy, her shop is like closed or something, so I guess I'm gonna have to figure out how to make it. But basically it's just like a cute little thing you can hang on your like car mirror. I'm probably gonna do this later because I actually don't have a car right now. Eventually, hopefully I'll be able to use it. And considering how bad I am with plants, I kind of have a couple of plant things on this list, and I really am attracted to plants. I just am not the best with them.
Oh well.
Next one, I said, dude,
what is this?
I said that fancy puffer jacket, but I also know exactly what I'm talking about. It's this super cool patchwork puffer jacket, and this girl has this really cool shop where she makes different like patchwork and just like custom things. So I think you actually can customize stuff, but you can also buy like pre-styled ones. But I just think it's so unique and really, really cool. And also, once I'm back in Washington, we know I'm gonna be wearing puffer jackets like every day because I'm gonna be
freezing my butt off.
Next one, why do I add thing to the end of everything? It's like, it's really unnecessary. I said
frozen yogurt maker thing.
I showed this to my friends. They said it was stupid. It probably is stupid. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it, but I really, really want it because first off, I'm obsessed with frozen yogurt. I love it. I think I don't want to say superior to ice cream because I just think they're separate things, but this thing is so cool. It's like, it reminds me of something that Kat would buy on that episode of Victorious where she kept buying like gimmicky things from that airplane flyer. But this one, I have high hopes for it. Like, I think it'll actually work. Basically, you just shove frozen fruit. It doesn't even have to be fruit. You could shove frozen like spinach or something into it, and then it pushes it out in frozen yogurt form. Like,
amazing.
You can frozen yogurtify anything. I guess it's not actually yogurt because there's no yogurt in it, but just the concept to me. Yes, I know it's theoretically basically a blender or a food processor, but do you know how hard it is? Have you seen those videos of me shaking my little ninja blender? Maybe it's building me arm muscle, but it's also so challenging. Okay, I've talked about this thing for so long. Mini banana bread tins. This is something I haven't brought myself to buy, but I know I would love the living heck out of these because I love all things that are miniature, and I've been wanting to make mini banana bread loaves forever. I also think, Mom, I know you're watching this one, this is a good investment because that means you guys as a family will be getting more banana bread. So then I said iCloud storage. This is another thing, which I don't know why, but when it comes to like subscriptions, it's something I hate paying for, even if it's literally like $1 a month. Like, if I saw iCloud $12, I'd be like, oh, psh, I'll go buy that. But then if it's like $1 a month, I'm like, I just don't know if I can like spend that much on myself, you know? I know this would be a lifesaver, especially with my videos, because right now I'm editing literally one video at a time on a hard drive, and I keep losing stuff, and my computer keeps freezing. So it's either that or like a new computer. Like, I know I kind of need a new computer. I'm gonna use this one until it literally breaks on me. The comfy, because right now I'm in California, I'm doing fine, but I know once I'm in Washington, I'm gonna be freezing. My family's gonna hate me because I'm gonna be like all the time. That was literally me all of last year. This is a necessity. Like, I'm probably gonna go buy this. I saw they had it at Costco. I said a French roast so that I can make my own like coffee cold brew stuff because coffee has dug a big hole in my wallet recently. It's just not good, not good. I was gonna say like an espresso machine, but those are so expensive. I'm gonna go to college. It's just not necessary. Not necessary, Melanie. I have to keep telling myself that. Then I said Air Force One. Yes, I already have Air Force Ones. They're probably my most worn shoes, but it's not like I'm just getting new ones because I am actually all for the worn, dirty shoe look. But I really want to paint some. It's like color block paint them because I really wanted color blocked like custom ones, but those are really expensive. So then I was like, I can just paint some. Yeah, but that's also another thing that like I'm too lazy to go buy, so like, you know. Yeah. Gift cards, my favorite gift card places, Trader Joe's, Goodwill, or like Elevation, like any thrift store, because I'm gonna use that. Any craft store, like Joann's or Michael's, any coffee place, like a small quaint little coffee shop gift card, that would get me going. And then gas gift card, those are always so helpful. High top platform Converse, I'm probably gonna go buy these to be honest, but those have been on my shopping list for the past like literally 6 months. Nike mid blazer vintage 77 something, I don't know. I really don't know much about shoes. I don't know the names at all, but like I'll put a picture of them. I actually want to paint these ones also. They're really cool. I have a lot of shoes on this list. Yeah. Well, chunky hoops, they sell these on Amazon for pretty affordable. Then I said stained glass window stickers. I saw these probably on TikTok. I don't remember. They basically are like a little, what's it called? Like prism thingy that you stick to your window, and then it makes cool light rainbows in your room. I just feel like this would be really, really good. Although there's not much sun in Washington, so I don't know how much this will work out. I feel like it would make my room a party and I would thoroughly enjoy it. Then I said hair claws. Those are like the hair clips, but they're like massive. I also said an AirPods case because currently homie over here is hanging on by a thread. I don't know what happened. I'm so scared my actual AirPods like fall out of this sometimes. I'm one of those people.
You know?
Okay, I don't know what they're called, but like those plant what? I know they sell them at Lowe's for really cheap and you should go get them there. Like those crocheted knit, I'll put pictures. It starts with an M. It's like macro lobes, macro lobies, macro, it's something. But they hold your plants and hang them. See, I'm doing the plant thing again. Just don't have plants. Except for this guy. This guy's doing really good. I'm gonna keep him around for a long time unless, oh my gosh, are you dying? I really can't tell. I'll water him after this. Tweezerman tweezers because I think plucking my eyebrows is so much fun and my tweezers are from Forever 21 and they actually suck, so I want to get some good ones. My last one, I said ice cube trays, not like normal ice cube trays. Fun shape ones, like stars, hearts. You guys know I am a coffee fiend. Think about how much better coffee would be if it had like star ice cubes in it. Amazing. Okay, well that's it for my list, so I'm gonna keep going. We're just gonna spit fire right now. I'm literally just gonna say anything that comes to mind until my video hits like 10 minutes because that's how we're gonna do it. This is really a big shift for me compared to the last video where I literally wrote everything out, but this one I'm just like, I feel like talking, so I guess I'm gonna be talking. Not me drinking coffee at 4 p.m. Oh, I have a good one. This is also kind of difficult because I don't even remember what I said in my last video, but oh well. Cute Spotify keychains. If you have like a song with a certain friend or person, you know when those pictures, things, Spotify songs were cool that you scan, but it's keychain form. Pretty cool, right? Also, this is a good one. Those cool glasses that have like a reflection so that you can watch your shows while you're literally lying down. That's insane. I think this is a great one. A pillow pet. I know the strawberry cow one is super trendy. Not gonna lie, don't know why those ever went out of style because those are genius. You could also get them like a mini one, pretty cool. You could get them a squishable, which is like, I also talked about this in the last one, I think. I know that they're going on sale, so I was just gonna bring it up again. You could get them a kombucha kit or a coffee kit. You could get them cool aesthetic posters like these. These are also really affordable. They're like $6, so you could get them a couple if they want to like spruce up the room. Also, if they're like a college student and something, they don't know what to do with their room, I think that'd be a great one. You could also get them, what's it called? They're like those kits of photos that all the cool trendy YouTuber Instagram girls have on their walls. A collage of photos. I think it's called Tezza. Give you a bunch of photos and you just put them up and it looks cool. Ooh, those candles. Like literally any kind of candles, but those swirly ones in particular, those are really cool looking. I also saw this other candle. As it burns, it refills itself, which is really cool. You could get them like cool grocery bags, like in particular those knit ones. Those are nifty. Oh my gosh, today I was at the beach and I saw them setting up like, I know there's a lot of companies, small startup ones, where they do those little picnic sets for you. Like they set up the picnic and get all the food and make it really cute and everything. And buy a cute little date for like a friend group, a friend, a partner if you're in a relationship or whatever. What else? Let me look around my room. You could get them puffer jackets. I saw these are on sale at Target for literally under $20 and they're really nice. My mind is kind of running a blank now. A jewelry organizer, one of those cute little cup ones for like rings also. They're more adulty. You could get them like a coaster set. You could also make them a coaster set. Any kind of cool like car. I mean, you could get them an air freshener, but you could also get them like one of those cool like hanging, literally anything to hang in their car. Oh my gosh, you could get them a foot peel mask. I saw this on like TikTok and I really have been meaning to try it. Oh my gosh, I think they're called macrames. Macrames. Coconut bowls. Or mason jar mugs. I feel like anyone would use those, to be honest. I think I already said both of these, but mini fridges and record players, I'm pretty sure, are both gonna be on sale for Black Friday at Walmart. Also, AirPods and Pros on sale at Target for Black Friday. I think they're already on sale. Literally anything patchwork. You could get them full slippers. You get them jandals. These are awesome. I wear them all the time. Literally anything from Trader Joe's, any kind of snacks or plants. I feel like you could get them a cool, unique throw pillow. I'm also thinking of a lot of things for college students. You could get them like, you know, those stereotypical like first apartment, college dorm student plates and stuff. The ones that I have basically. If they're injury prone, get them some fun band-aids. I actually use these all the time, not even for injuries, just for like, you know, spruce up an outfit. I suggest the Peppa ones. Get them this lotion or any lotion, but honestly this lotion smells so good. The Glossier hoodie. Ooh, I saw these really cool crates. Maybe if they moved into an apartment. Okay, well, I think that is all for this video because I'm kind of running low on ideas, but if you guys want to see more Christmas related videos, make sure to leave suggestions in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. I know it's getting